Hi guys, this is Akrapovic carbon fiber exhaust that I have purchased from Flipkart for 3000 rupees. Looking so cool. Its carbon fiber finish is very awesome. It also has some attachments. Okay, let's go to the welding shop and get this exhaust installed real quick. Okay guys, I am back with the exhaust installed and the welder took 500 rupees to completely install the exhaust. Okay guys, so let's check the exhaust note. As you can listen, it is very loud and bassy and not irritating at all. I really loved its sound. Let's rev it. Wow, awesome. So cool. This exhaust cost me 5000 rupees, 3000 for exhaust, 1500 for old exhaust and 500 for installation. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for upcoming videos in which I am going to ride my bike with this exhaust.